Artificial Reef has been in the making for the last decade. The Dampier fishing community has been very keen for an artificial reef for that long, and we've worked really close with them to make it happen.
So the reef's going to be made up of 48 modules. We're going to see 24 5-metre tall modules and 24 1.8 metre tall modules. Together that's going to make over 2,000 cubic metres of habitat for different fish species and marine organisms.
From our previous artificial reefs, such as King Reef and Exmouth, we've seen the growth within a very short amount of time with corals, fish assemblages. In these tropical environments, we anticipate that the same thing will happen with this artificial reef.
The modules, they're actually shaped like a pyramid, and that causes the current to actually hit and deflect up, which pushes a whole lot of plankton and nutrients and food into the water column. The shape also adds to their stability so that they'll be safe on the seafloor in the event of a cyclone or a large storm.
I'd expect that really quickly we're going to see bait congregations there. I'd expect by winter it's going to be a bit of an area to target for billfish and mackerel, tuna, all those sorts of things.
Having an artificial reef is an added bonus to creating more opportunities for charter companies, more opportunities for the hotels around town, and it's a great step in the right direction.
The ecosystem is going to benefit from it, the recreational fishing is going to benefit from it, and hopefully be a success and last for a long, long time.
We're really excited to see this artificial reef being deployed. It's been a really long journey and we couldn't have done it without a whole list of stakeholders. But most of all, we're really thankful to Woodside for supporting this. It's so important to people that live in the Pilbara to enjoy safe, accessible and sustainable fishing opportunities.